also learned how to solve multiplication and division equations. With multiplication equations, they're going to look something like this. 5n equals 45. Now remember, the 5n really implies you're multiplying 5 times n. The opposite of multiplication, or my inverse of multiplication, is going to be division. So to undo my multiplication, I'm going to divide. Remember, I show division in algebra with the line and writing the number underneath it. This means 5n divided by 5 and 45 divided by 5. Well, I know 5 divided by 5 equals 1. So that kind of going to cancel each other out because anything times 1 is just going to be that number. So I'm left with just n on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, I have 45 divided by 5, which equals 9. So I have n equals 9. If I plug that back in my original equation to check and see, I'm going to have 5 times 9, and that equals 45. So this checks out. Now let's talk about division equations. Again, division and multiplication are inverse or opposites of each other. So they're going to undo each other in different equations. So if I have something like h divided by 4 equals 9. Again, this means h divided by 4. That's how I write a division problem in algebra. To undo this, I need to do the opposite of dividing, which is multiplying. So instead of dividing by 4, I'm going to multiply by 4. And I'm going to multiply by 4 again. Just like before, I have a 4 and an h, which means I'm multiplying that. However, I'm also dividing by 4. I know 4 divided by 4 is 1, so that pretty much cancels each other out. I'm left with just h on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, I'm left with 9 times 4, which is 36. If I go back and check over that to make sure that my answer makes sense, anywhere I see h, I'm going to plug in 36. So I get 36 divided by 4. That's going to equal 9. Is that true? Yes, it is, so that checks out. So this is how I would do multiplication and division problems in algebra.